everyone, welcome back. Today I will bring you an idea to paint easy sunset like abstract painting. I won't use any kind of brushes today. I am going to use only the palette knives. Only two kind of palette knives I am using the entire paintings. How brushes are doing multiple roles in paintings, the same way the palette knives are also doing the multiple roles in painting, like mixing of colors, applying paint, blending colors, texture and detail works and more. Here I am using 10 by 12 canvas board for this painting. Let's see. You can get idea to paint a beautiful sunset with palette knife. Needing requirements: 10 by 12 canvas board, number 4 and 1 palette knife. Now I am just moistening the palette. This will help the paint moistening in entire painting. Needing paints: deep purple, pyrrole orange, lemon yellow, sap green, titanium white and black. Now I am scooping some deep purple and titanium white, mixing it well with number 1 palette knife and applying the paint top on the canvas by using number 4 palette knife. Keep spreading the paint around here. No need to use paintbrush to blend the colors together. I am just using number 4 palette knife to blend the colors. This will really help to work well for blending and spreading the color. Then wipe off my palette knife, removing the previous color from it. Again start to scoop up some pyrrole orange and some white. Mix it well together and grab, apply onto the canvas. Then spread the color. Now I am coming upward from light to darken the tone of the first color. Continue this process with pressing is to press the color onto the other one. Rather than sweeping motion side to side horizontally, the color around blend it, while blend the colors together by pressing together. Now continue for the third layer, picking some lemon yellow, little orange and some white, mix it well. Then apply for the third layer, continue side to side blending. Next, adding little more pyrrole orange, mixing with the previous color. Then scoop up little paint, apply on the canvas. Using flat side of the knife, press the paint onto the first color on it. Then spread it outward to blend the colors together by pressing. Now picking some lemon yellow and little white, mix it together, applying on the canvas. Just move swooping action back to forth in a wave motion to blend the colors together. Just continuously keep moving the knife from side to side until the colors are blending together. Palette knives are also many important activity tools used in art. Always palette knives are used for mixing oil, acrylic and all the types of paint for a smooth and color combination. How we are using brush in artwork as it is doing the multiple role of mixing paint, applying paint, creating texture, blending colors and detail work. Always we can be using to apply paint on canvas in thick layers and coats then brushes. Now the beautiful sky background is ready. The next step going to creating sun. Now creating sun using number 4 palette. Picking white just to create uneven sharp broken strokes here. In the center we are going to creating sun. So around this side move back and forth, make more right reflections here. Then the center bold blob of paint with white for making sun. The next step creating distance mountain. Now picking some deep purple and Pyrrole Orange, mixing it well. Then adding some white along with previous color. This for the color combination and scoop up with my palette knife. Start from here onwards just to create the light shade of the distance mountain. The left side no much more light falling, so I am adding little more deep purple acrylic and create the little dark shade of the small mountain here. Keeping the strokes in soft, I am adding orange and white, mix it well to create in the center for light hitting. Here I am giving the detail to the more dark shade to the distance mountain here. Just try this in turn way, pushing down the end and brushing down with palette knife. Next step giving to create the mountain reflects in the water. So I am making the outline for this. Later we will come here for the highlighting. Now I am going to creating water. Here some water have. Creating the horizon line first. Little bit deep purple, some orange and lemon yellow. Mix it well and creating the water effect near the mountain. This is the horizon line. wipe off my palette knife, grab some orange and lemon yellow, some white and scoop up with palette knife. Mix it well to creating water. It's coming from the center, just applying the paint to the least of the bottom. Just blending the colors on the canvas to represent natural light shadow creating in the water by soft transition convey emotion in a sense of energy guidance through the combination. Now I am creating the detail of shadow of mountain reflection on the water clearly with my palette knife. It always helps to create seamless blending colors and tone. Here I am working this detail in wet medium. Keep spreading the paint around side to side, pushing the paint colors together to blend. It's too easy and greasy. Again, I am coming to the sun and highlighting the sun with little white. The next step I am going to creating sunlight reflections. So using palette knife number 1, picking little lemon yellow mixing with white and scoop up. Just apply to create a lot of even and uneven small soft stroke. Then have different break points from each other. Just coming downward slowly gently with less pressure to handle the knife. Now picking some orange mixing with the previous color and grab it to come to near distance mountain, highlighting the horizon line near the distance mountain just to create little broad long even strokes both sides of this. Now I am going to highlighting the water too. This is not the even application. Apply quick stroke, pressing the knife down lightly. The water effect and the straight scarp the knife to push the strokes. Just apply the paint in one direction just to see you the here uneven broken texture. Now here I am adding more light reflections. So adding white, then taps inwards for light reflections in the water as it kind of drags down. This highlighting is shown brighter than the previous. Now almost completing this and the next coming to creating the trees. Here I am picking little black and some orange, mix it well together. Here we can see the brown shade. Now using the edge of the palette knife and not holding the flat way, just holding vertically, picking the paint to creating the trunk of tree. Press to create trunk line, bring downwards. Because of this palette knife, very advantage to create trunk line in our artwork. And down here creating base of the land near the bottom of the tree. The next step I am going to creating leaf shape to start from the base here. Make like a curve holding the palette knife vertically. Creating leaves holding the palette knife like 30-degree flat way. Making the pointed end of the leaf with the palette knife. Continue to creating the rest of the leaves with the palette knives like this. Behind of the trunk I am giving little more darkish shade. Cleaning the palette knife is very important always. Very easy to cleaning palette knife. Remove paint from it. Keeping them clean and ready for use. Best to keep some paper or towel in reach to clean your knife in between. Another one important tips, knife size and shapes are very important. A tip with level of detail required. Pointed knives for fine lines and larger. The border knives for always using the bolder strokes. Always no need to afraid to try this palette knife paintings and handle the palette knife too. Always trying different experiment and techniques with palette knife using of hard work in your best style.